Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be a tomato, bacon, and cheese frittata. I got this recipe out of the Lodge cast iron cookbook, and I made a small modification to it, but it's a good recipe and one that my family loves to eat. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's the ingredients: kosher salt, baby spinach, bacon, eggs, onions, cherry tomatoes, white cheddar, and black pepper. Now that we've got the bacon done, there's good grease in there, plenty of flavor, and we want to save those bits too. That'll just add another layer of complexity. And we're going to leave about a tablespoon of grease still in there. Now let's go ahead and saute the tomatoes, onions, and spinach. Whoa, a little hot. Take it down here. You don't want to do a gentle saute. This will drop off quick. Building the flavors. Go ahead and add our salt and pepper into the eggs. Alright, so all those bacon bits ended up coming off the bottom there, and now it's going to be up and in. Spread the... Go ahead and sprinkle our bacon throughout. And pour in our egg. And then across the top of that, sprinkle that white cheddar. Haven't even gotten started and this is already smelling good. Now into the oven we go, 25 to 30 minutes. Bonus feature for those of you who are doing keto and looking for this recipe as an option with that. Nice little bacon bowl. Low carb keto option. Let's go in and take a look. Alright, looking pretty good. I'd say it's ready to come out. And if you're ever curious, you can get these. There will be a link at the bottom in the description where you can get these Lodge handle handlers. Now we'll go ahead and let this rest for 10 minutes. Come back and serve her up. There it is, all plated up. Looks delicious, smells good, tastes delicious. I'd say that's a home run. Spinach, tomato, and bacon frittata. Please click like, subscribe, share. Come on back for more.